we literally just had to move to a different location because the shooting the baseball bat out of that, and it went very high before and it got very close to things, so we didn't think it would even go that far.
Let me touch it like I did before. Yeah, it was a bit harder than that.
Yeah, no, we can put it in hard.
No, leave, you want to film it?
That's it.
Throw it. Not that hard. It's not like that.
Oh my god.
Ready? Just full flat.
Hutchison! Incredible.
Scent.
What's up, baby? Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire. A little something like that.
Yeah, I think so. And then we'll put the rod and it'll lift it. I reckon it'll pull it back out again, like out there. Should be right.
We don't really know what we're doing with this, but we're just doing something.
All trial and error, I think.
Good afternoon, good morning, good night, wherever you are, guys. We are at the shop again, and we're bringing back the Zoku build. I know everyone's kind of been keen for it. We've kind of put it on the back burner because we're just busy with other things. So we pretty much put this whole day aside to do this. Yeah, so Trav's, I think we're pretty confident with that. Obviously, if you're not too creative, you might not see it, but hopefully it works out. So we've got the sheet metal on the roof. I don't know if we mentioned it, but we got that. Bunnings coming through with the goods. Yeah, basically we're gonna do the back first, see how it goes. I mean, this is already a couple hours on it, and then the front we're gonna similar cut to the rig of a dog is what we're gonna do. And then we are actually on this thing as well, actually gonna order some yellow paint because we've got to paint these backwards. It's time, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna hopefully we don't do all this and then it just rips it off or something. I don't know, but we're getting into it. Should we just clear it? Done.
I can just, put some fiberglass over it.
Yeah, done. Yeah. So we're going to make it out of metal because, one, we don't know how to fiberglass. Do you know how to fiberglass?
No.
No, neither. So we're not... You know how to fiberglass?
A little bit.
Sam says he can fiberglass a little bit. Could you fiberglass those guards?
Give it a whirl.
He's laughing. He's give it a whirl. Mate, the wheel's already got a whirl in them. No, we're going to go metal because none of us know how to do fiberglass. Like, we could probably do a little bit, but I can't imagine it being nice and smooth. It would just probably look like terrible trash. I don't know. We're doing guard slide, so we'll see what happens. Worst case, throw the car out. Do something else. See what happens. So we've it doesn't really look like we're anywhere closer, but we definitely are.
Yeah, nearly ready to take it off and cut the sheet metal, I reckon. Just need to form it a little bit more. And
is that a genuine exhaust leak?
Yeah.
Nice.
genuine exhaust leak.
Oh.
Oh, it doesn't get much better than that.
Come here often?
Hey, Bebe.
Working hard.
Yeah, just taping. I think it's ready to come off. Just cut.
I would have to agree with that statement.
And then mould.
Just to clarify, not mold, that like bacteria mold. No. Good. That means we'll have to pull the seats out because I think a couple of the seats have mold on. The rust. It's come through.
It's legal.
All legal, obviously, because we're in Japan. Insert Toge Japanese music. Oh, totally another random thing. I know we've just gone quiet, but it's just I'm kind of enjoying the quietness. Cam's in there cutting things with the grinder. It's too loud. But the roof racks were here, and there's this perfect. The sun protected the paint.
No, the roof racks protected
The roof.
from the
What did I say? The roof racks protected the paint
from the sun.
and some rust. However, right before it and right in front of it, right before it, right after it, not good. Bad. But it's bad. All right. So if we basically. That's this thing's pretty much the one size that we need. I don't know what we're gonna do there, but I don't know, I reckon we do this. We go like that,
And leave it that long.
ignore that.
Yeah, I won't trim
Maybe
that off. I'll
can
just leave
curve
that.
in. Maybe they'll just curve.
Yeah.
So we'll cut the wheel arch out. We'll cut that out, and then
See how we go.
see how she goes.
Yeah.
But we really don't know what we're doing, do we?
No.
But
Just winging it here. A wing. No. A guard wing. No. I don't know.
we've got to guard the wheels.
Police will say no.
Enough dad things.
Silly dad things.
It's funny, we actually talked with our roadweather guy. He does some, he built some, he's got like a C10 truck. It's got like 15 by 15s on it. So he was just like having a laugh, and I'm like, yeah, we're driving down Coffs Harbour, and he's just like, oh my gosh, it's fine. He's not. He was just like, he was literally giving me ways to make it legal-ish, and I'm like, it's just never going to be legal, this car.
So the secret's out. We're driving it to
That's the plan.
Coffs Harbour. It's a long way.
Are we allowed, internet, are we allowed? We're going to do it anyway.
Yeah.
That's if we're allowed to leave, you know, cell Q and go to cell N.
Go to South Korea. I mean, South.
I'm going to try and leave North Korea and go to South Korea. Actually, no. No, this is North.
Yeah, we're North Korea.
No, yeah, which one's? This is North Korea.
Yeah, we're North Korea.
But we're not. How are we allowed to leave?
Pretty much run
We
by.
can leave. At this point in time, I'm making this video. We're allowed to leave Queensland, but we're not allowed to come back unless they put some random drug into us, which is cool. Thanks, mate.
Run by Kim Jong Palaszczuk.
But we can. But we can go down, fine, but we can't come back home. So
Yeah.
but that's just retarded.
Yeah, I don't understand that, but
But yeah,
well.
so yeah, our events have been a little bit shifted. So
Yeah, the
give us more time.
The comp we're meant to go to is going to
Yeah.
November, and then Matsuri we're meant to go to in October, which looks like it's going to get pushed back too. So
November.
who knows? It might be same month as November or in
Hopefully
December,
not.
but
It's
hopefully
gonna
not.
be an expensive time.
Yes, definitely.
But we'll get back to this anyway.
Yeah, cut it.
Let's do it. Chop. Oof. Definitely looks pretty good.
Still got a bit to trim off. I left it a bit long. But yeah,
Tell you what,
it's getting close, eh?
might be hard to see on the camera. It's really great having a truck parked right here next to us. This is our workshop, mate. What are you doing?
It's sort of like that. We'll be able to make it work.
We're
sure.
definitely, yeah, we're damn a bit short, eh? Would that work better if we,
That's going to chip a little bit off there.
That's sick.
Yep, that's there.
We'll have to add a little bit down here. Don't know what they'll look like, but generally pretty good. Sick. I'm happy with that. So far, so good. Right, let's get it back in for some shaping or trimming rather. So that's looking pretty promising, the way it's going. I don't know how we're going to brace it and all that. However, the bonus is we literally just did a quick test on the other side that we only kind of need to design one rear one, copy it, and it should be sweet. So that's pretty cool. Don't know what I'm going to do at the front yet, but I'm going to start cutting off the cars so we can at least move it properly. Yeah.
Look at it! It's falling off.
Yeah, you're not meant to jack anywhere on the seal on this car.
That's not the bottom one. I'll get rid of that.
So this is where we currently are. You can kind of see this now that it's
I said it.
somewhere about there-ish. And Trav's finding a spot that's not rusted to lift it up. Take it easy, mate. What are you? Hey, my car.
Gotta find somewhere to jig.
No respect.
No respect around here.
Luckily the bumper.
Don't worry, it's not a customer's car.
Luckily Ford put this on really well. Wait, just how good's this? I really got over cutting it. I really got over cutting that actually. I don't know, something about this. I just want to put bags in. No, not bags, hydraulics.
Look at it, eh? That's so crazy.
Like in Japan, it's funny because actually in Japan there is a lot of American cars, which you wouldn't believe, but there are actually so many American cars in Japan, and they do the full Impalas and everything like that. So it's very strange part of the globe over there because they love the most weirdest stuff. Kind of like us, we're weird. Boy. What are those?
They're legal.
Apparently suspended. You're pulling the wheel off.
Yeah, cut that out more.
Oh, okay, alright.
And pull that out. Oh, no, we don't need to. Look how high it is. Rookie.
Oh, my mud flap, you gronk. What the? Mm. It's no problem here.
Just going to cover it back up with the mud flap.
You know what? Some people would look at this rust and be like, I can't believe I bought this. And I'll look at this rust and just go, I've done the best purchase I've ever done.
This is a lifer.
This thing is just... Boy, check out my star. It's terrible, isn't it?
See
this funny little fella? Oi! There's the goods.
Quentin needs to superimpose the actual Eggman on it. Oh my god.
Oh yes, look at that. That's legal.
Perfectly legal, nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing illegal about this car.
Nothing to see here once we put the mud flap on.
That's the weirdest thing. People go, mate, this car's not legal. What do you mean? It's perfectly legal.
Wheels are in the guards.
Well, that'd probably be on the road, but that's fine. It's not on the road. It's in the car park. Look. In the car park. Alright guys, so first drive, testing the flare, and I kind of feel like leaving no flare at all.
No, we've got to put a flare on the front. What do you reckon? Should we put a flare on the front? On the front?
On the front.
On the front? On the front? Make it sort of like that. Oh, it's perfect. At least they're cool.
The brakes will stay cool.
Wow.
That's actually very strange to sit from there and just not see the wheel and just see that. It's like the weirdest thing to see.
I think we definitely need to paint it as soon ASAP.
Yeah.
The glare off it is ridiculous.
So, as you guys can see, we have not had time to paint this yet. This takes actually so long. Like, you've spent...
I don't think the next one will. I spent a while on it, but...
Yeah, we've got a few extra holes. Just
that's
ignore that.
weight reduction.
But as you would have seen, like we started going to, and then we've gone for the proper arch look. So we need to add a little bit more here, so that will come in. Paint that, and I think we're going to paint the car white. Whole car white. These are going to go either blue or purple. Yeah, I don't. It feels retarded to say I'm going to paint this car because of how crap it is. But if we're going to do
the whole concept of doing it was because it was so crap, but now it's a keeper.
Yeah.
For now it is anyway.
Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. We'll catch us next week. We'll continue building this because it's taking so damn long. So just let us know if we've given you like kind of enough depth or too much. Don't really know. So just tell us. Peace.